Today I'll just teach you some basics of some aptitude questions, some basic way of approaching any aptitude questions. So this is not in any particular topic, it is just a very general idea on any quantitative maths in any aptitude test, right? So to begin with, I'll start with I'll start with what you call the topic is work on time and work. And so we know, suppose there is a person A who completes a work in X number of days. So in one day, how much work will A perform? A will perform in one day 1 by X of the total work. Why? Because if in one day A does 1 by X, then in X days A will perform 1 by X into X, which is 1. That is the total work, right? Why did I take X days over here? I took X days because it actually completed it in X days, so I have to take X days, right? Now I hope you have understood how to first find how much work is done in one day. Now suppose now there are two people, A and B, and A completes the work in X days and B completes the work in Y days. So if A and B works together, how much days will they take to complete the work? So we know that if both of them together completed the work, it will obviously take the less number of days. If X is less than Y, then the combined time will be even lesser. Let the combined time be T, so T will be even lesser than X because the work will be completed faster. Okay, so what will be the actual number of days? So following the previous step, in one day A will do 1 by X of the work and B will complete 1 by Y of the work. So now we know that in one day A is performing this much of the work, and in one day B is performing this much of the work. So if both of them now work together, then in one day A plus B together they will do 1 by X plus 1 by Y of the work. Okay, so that will be X plus Y by XY. So in one day, if both of them work, they will complete this much of the total work. Okay, so if they come in one day, they complete this much work, then how many days will they take to complete the total work? So to complete the total work, they'll simply take X Y by X by Y. This is the time they will take to complete the total work. So in a question, if it comes that A takes, suppose let us take an example. Suppose A completes the work in 5 days and B completes the same work in 10 days. So in how many days will the work get completed if both of them work together? So it will be X into Y by X plus Y, that is 1 and 3, that is 10 by 3, that is 3 and 1/3 days. And we can see that 3 1/3 is less than 5, which is less than 10. So I have understood, I guess, how very easy way to solve this type of numericals. Now over here okay, so I'll just proceed. Now over here one more type of numericals come. Say A plus B completes a work in X days. B plus C complete the same work in Y days. and C plus A complete the same work in Z days. So now how do you proceed in such type of questions? So how to proceed? It is very simple. Over here we can see a kind of symmetry that there are, we can see that there are there are there are two A's, there are two B's, again sorry, there are two B's, and there are two C's. Well, all of them are 2, 2, 2 each. So there is a kind of symmetry. So what we do is we simply add them up and we get 2A plus B plus C is equals to x plus y by z. So A plus B plus C is equals to x plus y plus z by 2. So in one day, if all of the three work together, they will complete in one day, they will complete 2 by x plus y plus z of the work. Okay. So I think I've just made one small little mistake. We remember something, that we never directly add up the total number of working days. We never directly add total number of days. Our calculation is always based on how much work is done in one day. Okay, so I have made a small mistake over here. So as I said, it is always based on how much work is done in one day. So in one day, A plus B in one day will do 1 by x, B plus C will do 1 by y, and C plus A will do 1 by z. So now 2A plus B plus C is 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. So A plus B plus C in one day, they will complete how much of the work? They will complete half of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z of the work, which is simply 2xyz and xy plus yz plus xz. So this is the amount of work they will complete in one day. So if all of them three work together, the total work will be completed in how many days? The total work will take is just the inverse, that is twice xyz by xy plus yz plus xz, this number of days to complete. Now this type of questions can also be framed in another way, like they might ask how much work does C does in one day. So we know that A plus B plus C in one day, they will perform how much of the work? In one day they will perform xy plus yz plus zx by 2xyz of the work, and A plus B in one day they will perform 1 by x of the work. So how much work does C does in one day? C does in one day is basically subtraction. We basically subtract. So C in one day will perform xy plus yz plus xz by 2xyz minus 1 by x. This is work done by C in one day. So how much will this come? This will be coming as 2xyz. So you have to multiply with 2yz. It will be xy minus yz plus xz. And if you invert this, you will get the number of days taken by C alone to complete the work. So we can see initially we were given how much work done by both of them together. So now we have found out how many, if all the three work together, how much time they will take. And we have sorry, not this. if all the 3 work together, they will take this much number of days, and if only we need to find how much days taken by just one person, it will be the inverse of this. That is, in suppose C will take 2xyz by xy minus yz plus xz number of days to complete. So I hope you have understood how to proceed in this type of numericals. So now I hope you have understood how to proceed in work time and work type of numericals. So just to tell you, first convert whatever the days is given. Suppose 5 days, 10 days, it will obviously be total number of days. So always convert it first into how much work will be performed in one day. Okay, so how much work will be performed, I have shown how to do that over here. You just invert it, you will find the number of work in one day. Now I hope you have understood all these procedures. So to find how much work both of them together do in one day, is you add the work they perform in one day, each of them. And similarly, if it is a difficult type of numerical like this numerical, then also you can, I hope you have understood how to proceed. In case you have any further doubt, you can ask in the comment box, and I am surely going to respond to you all. Okay, so since this video is becoming too long, I will come up with a new topic in the next video. And meanwhile, if you like these videos, please, if you have enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. So hope you have enjoyed this small little talk on aptitude. Thank you very much.